I've had 3 weeks away in Africa, meeting new people and some old friends, trying different food, drink and airlines along the way. And now it's time for the final leg of my route back home. Welcome back to the channel. I'm here in Johannesburg Airport and I'm about to take a flight up to London Heathrow with British Airways. I haven't had much luck with premium economy of late, but I'm a glutton for punishment and that's the cabin I'm using tonight. Let's go. So finally made it through security and passport control. That was a bit of an effort. Took about just short of an hour to get through, and passport was the worst bit. 16 terminals, 4 people working, and a lot of big jets going out tonight. But anyway, we're airside now in Joburg, and we're going to be heading off up to Heathrow in a bit. So let's find the British Airways lounge and see if we can get something to eat and a drink. You don't get access to the lounge with a premium economy ticket, but I have a gold card with BA, so I gain access with that. The lounge is lovely. I was a bit early, so it was nice and quiet. You have a full bar to choose from, or you can use their app to have it delivered to your seat, along with a choice of snack. Then it was time to head for my flight. Bye bye. Yeah, British Airways lounge is quite nice now at Joburg. It used to be split into two. It was a first side and then a business side. But now it's all one. And they've got a little first dining area, so if you are travelling first you can use that. I'm not. There's a lot of shops shut. I don't know whether that's because it's late or because of COVID. Because it is, 8 o'clock at night now. Flight takes off 20:45, BA 54. And we're on a Boeing 777. Biltong bar. Beautiful biltong. I've already got some from Zambia. I hate it when they do this. On my seat was a pillow and blanket, a set of headphones, and the reappearance of the Amenity kit. Full flight tonight. Okay, so we're on the British Airways 777 heading to London in premium economy. Plenty of room in the seat. It's premium economy is alright, but it is a long flight. It's about 11 hours, over 11 hours to get back home. So we'll see how we go. I've got the last row in the premium economy cabin on the Boeing 777-300 ER, I think it is. Yeah, nice and roomy. Got a choice of orange juice or water. You used to get sparkling wine at one point. I don't know whether they're going to bring that back. It'd be nice if they did. It looks like we're still on COVID measures on British Airways. Anyway, cheers. I'm still wearing masks in South Africa. Yeah. We were already at over 5,000 feet without taking off. Joburg is high. And then we went higher. It was pitch black out of the window until we got some height. As it's a late flight, they don't hang around getting dinner out, which is good as it gives you more chance to sleep. My choice tonight was the fish, which wasn't too bad actually, and it came with a salad, bread roll and a dessert of some sort. There's no menus given out at the moment, so you don't know what you're getting. Quick check in the loo, it's not too bad. There's loads of mirrors in there though. Gets a bit confusing, but I managed to find my way out and bed down for the night. After a few hours of sleep, the sun made its presence felt over the eastern horizon as we flew over North Africa. Morning's here. We're on our way. We're up above the Mediterranean, I think, probably in Spain, heading back to Heathrow from Johannesburg. I slept for about 4 or 5 hours on here. After a while your bum goes numb, which is what I find on these things, but it's the nature of the beast, isn't it? I much prefer business, but premium economy is the better of the two evils between economy and here. And the flight is absolutely packed. Economy is solid down the back, premium economy is solid, business is solid. I think there might be some space in first, but I never got a chance to move up there. I think they wanted too much money. But yeah, just an overnight flight. Sun's coming up, well, it's come up now over Europe. We should be landing in an hour and a half, couple of hours, I think, something like that. With the coming of the sun was the coming of breakfast. I refused the stale croissant this morning and made do with some water and a cup of tea. BAT is great in the morning. Then we were over the coast of England and joined the stack for Heathrow, circling ever lower until it was our turn to land. Quick wave to Concorde and we were in. Thank you, bye. Not a bad flight, but overnights are always going to take their toll. I felt better for refusing the croissant, knowing that with my gold card I could access the arrivals lounge, have a good shower and a full English breakfast. To compensate, I walked there from the sea gates through the tunnels at Terminal 5. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.